one of the reasons why people like to travel is to change sceneries, or definitely also for the money. Okay. Of course, that's important. You know what I'm saying? Hello guys, and welcome to another video. If you are new today, my name is Andy. I am a family nurse practitioner. In this channel, we'll bring you everything that has to do with healthcare, nursing, jobs, in general, living a healthy life. In today's video, I want to bring you guys an exciting opportunity of becoming an international travel nurse. I know we talk about travel nursing, we know about travel nursing locally, but this video is specifically about global international nursing travel. You do not only have to come to US to work as a foreign nurse, but there's an opportunity where you can travel globally to different countries to work on a temporary basis. It's an exciting opportunity for someone that loves traveling. You can go to different countries for like 3 months, 6 months, a year, and just basically work there as an international nurse and then transition to another country. What is an international travel nurse? An international travel nurse is a person that travels, like I said, to different countries to work globally as a nurse in different settings. That person can work in a local health department, they can work in a hospital setting, they can work in an outpatient clinic, a relief center. They usually someone that has different skills. For example, a crisis is going on in a country, maybe there's something going on in Brazil or something going on in Australia and they need nurses. Those are the people that can temporarily travel to that country and work. Can be in an emergency room. I know that emergency room is one hot field for global nursing. ICUs, that's critical care units, cardiac care units. Those are hot spots for international nurses. They cover staff shortages. They assist with special projects or events. Also, as an international nurse, you have to be highly flexible. It's great if you know a different language, but if not, it's an exciting opportunity for you to learn a different language. So if you go to a Spanish-speaking country, you might pick up some Spanish here and there. So what does an international travel nurse do? I think I touched on this a little bit earlier. As an international nurse, you're going to work in different settings like hospital, outpatient clinics, local health departments. You can even work as a vaccination nurse where you give vaccines. If there's a global crisis in a country and they are giving vaccinations in that country, you can work in that local health department giving vaccinations. So is there really a demand for international travel nursing? The demand for international travel nurses really is driven by global healthcare staffing shortages. Can be seasonal, there can be fluctuations depending on specific needs in different regions of the world. If a healthcare facility is looking to address some challenges, an international travel nurse play a critical role in helping them to temporarily fill that gap or provide specialized skills and contribute to the delivery of quality healthcare in different settings, in different countries. How much does an international travel nurse really do make? One of the reasons why people like to travel is to change sceneries, or definitely also for the money. Of course, that's important. You know what I'm saying? According to nurse.org, here are the top highest paying countries for nurses. Switzerland pays about 99,000, Luxembourg pays about 94, Denmark about approximately 83, United States 81, Virgin Islands 80K, Australia 71K, and these are just, I'm rounding up the figures. Dubai 71K, Canada 70K, Norway 69K, and Ireland about 60K. But it's also very important for someone that wants to become an international travel nurse to do their own research, to look at the salary ranges in different destinations in those countries, understand the terms of that contract, and carefully consider every aspect of the compensation package. Some might pay for your travel expenses, they may pay for your accommodation, they may pay for your food. So you need to look at their package to see if they are doing that, or if they are not, what are they paying you, what are you responsible for. Basically, make sure that you thoroughly look at the package they are giving you. Of course, for a more up-to-date information on the salary, I definitely recommend you consulting with the recruitment agency, the healthcare facility, or the organization that specializes in international travel or nursing placements. Now that we've talked about that, how do you really become an international travel nurse? You want to get bachelor's degree in nursing. Most countries require for you to have your bachelor's in order to travel and work with them. Some countries can take associate degree, that's your 2-year degree. Some 4, so it depending on the country. So I'll recommend you looking into the country that you want to go to and what their requirements is. Most countries want you to already pass your NCLEX, have your NCLEX before working for them. Some are okay with you coming over and you have 90 days, at least 3 months to study and pass your NCLEX and start working as a nurse. Depending on where you are, again, you want to do that research for yourself. Most countries also require experience, especially as a global nurse. They want you to have an experience. Sometimes most of them require 5 years, some of them require 10 years, depending on the position that you're going over to do. Because as an international nurse, they don't want to have to waste time training you. They want to come show you the ropes maybe 2-3 days and you're up and running. So they want you to have an experience, to have an idea of what you're doing. Additional bonus that will really look good on your resume and will make you stand out is gaining a specialty certification. Maybe being certified as a diabetic nurse, being certified as an ICU nurse, being certified as an ER nurse. Those are the things that will put you out there, make you stand out. So I would definitely recommend getting certifications if you are able to. Once you have all that set in place, guess what? You're ready to work as an international nurse. All you have to do now is research, look for countries that are currently hiring. Like I said earlier on, as an international nurse, you can work in a hospital, you can work in outpatient clinics, you can work in long-term care facilities, schools and universities, public health and community clinics, home health care, telehealth services, crisis or disaster areas, cruise ship and tourist areas. Those are the variety work environments that you can work in. Because I do not want this video to be too long, I'm going to stop this video here, and in the next video we are going to talk about agencies that actually hire international travel nurses and what they require from you, so that you can contact them and see if that's something that you're interested in. So look out for the next video and see you soon. Until my next video, I love you with the love of God. Bye.